Hey everybody, I hope y'all are all having a great day today. I'm going to be sharing with y'all how to make foolproof sugar cookies. So let's get to it. In a medium bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of sugar and 2 ounces of cream cheese. Now mix in 6 tablespoons of still warm melted butter. Now whisk in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now add 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now with a rubber spatula, mix in your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients until a dough forms. Now add 1/3 cup of sugar to a bowl. Now roll your balls of cookie dough in the sugar to coat them and then put them on a cookie sheet. Then use the bottom of a cup to gently press the tops down. Now bake them separately in the oven, heated to 350 degrees for 11 to 13 minutes until the sides start to turn golden brown. And finally, let them cool for 5 minutes on the cookie sheet before moving them to a wired rack to cool completely. If you enjoyed the cookies as much as we did, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time on BG Bakers.